we'll guide you through how to reorder Instagram grid. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Instagram on your phone and wait for the application to load completely. Once the login screen appears, type out your account details, such as the email address associated with your Instagram account. After entering your email, continue by typing out your password carefully in the password field. After that, press the login button to continue and access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the profile icon to go to the profile section. Before proceeding further, make sure that you have already posted several photos or videos on your Instagram account, as the reordering feature requires existing posts in your profile grid. After confirming that your profile contains posts, press and hold on one of your posts. Keep holding until additional options become available. Next, locate the reorder grid option from the menu that appears. Once you find it, tap on the option to enter the grid reordering mode. From this screen, you can rearrange all of the posts in your profile grid according to your preferences. Move the posts around until the layout appears exactly the way you want it. Take your time while organizing the grid to ensure the final arrangement matches your desired profile appearance. If something goes wrong during the process, do not worry. You can simply press the undo option located at the top of the screen to reverse the most recent change and continue editing. Once you are satisfied with the new arrangement, locate the arrow icon that allows you to leave the reordering screen. Tap on the arrow to go back to the profile section. After returning to your profile, review the grid carefully one more time. Check every post placement to make sure there are no mistakes and that the overall layout looks correct. If everything appears as intended, the process is complete and your reordered Instagram profile grid is ready to be viewed by visitors.